everybody, my name is Michelle from Knit Away. Today's video I'm going to show you how to wind an ank into a ball, just to make it easier to be able to knit with. So let's get started. So here we go. I've got 150 grams of yarn. So to start with, what we need to do is we just need to snip these. One, just pull that out. Okay, just pull it out gently. There we go. Then there's another one there. Just look whereabouts these are, where it's being tied, the hank, and then pull that one out. Two, and we've got another one here. Now this is where the beginning starts. Okay, so what we'll do, just pull that, snip that, and just take that out. And just snip that off there. There we go. So that is, I'm just going to snip that. That's where we're going to start with. Right, so what we need to do is, all we're going to do is just wrap it around our hand here. So leave a long thread here, because I'm going to show you in my next video how to arm knit a snood in double. So here goes. So all it is, just wrap it round slowly. Keep following the hank all the way around. Keep going all the way around gently, so you're not tangling it up, just neatly. That's how easy it is. So keep going, keep going. This just makes it easier when you're knitting, because when you've got a hank, sometimes it gets, you can see now, look, sometimes it gets a little bit tangled. So when you've got it in a ball, it's just making it easier. So what I'm going to do now is just turn it the other way and then just keep wrapping around there. Keep the long thread. There we go. So keep wrapping it round, wrapping it round. So easy. So just do it gently so that it's not gonna, can you see how sometimes it'll just, if you're not too gentle, it's just going to lift it up like that. Round we go. Keep wrapping round, just gently, because sometimes what happens is it will get tangled. So just do it gently. There we go, all the way around. So what I'm going to do now is just turn it again. Just keep wrapping the other way. So keep going round. So easy. And for the sake of how long this takes, it's just going to make it a lot easier when you knit with it. And it just keep going round. If it seems to get a little bit tangled, just pull it apart like that and just gently do that, and it's fine. So I mean, for the sake of how long it, like I say, for the sake of how long it takes, you might as well just do this. Can you see there? Just keep pulling it up. So again, I'm just going to turn it again. So I've got my light lead there. Oops, that's fell off. If any comes out like that, it's just a case of just tying it back in there. There we go. Gently does it. I've nearly done it. How long's this taking? So just pull that up if it's just got a little bit where it's starting to get a little bit tangled. And there we go. Just pull it up. Round. Round. If they drop out, just tie them back in like that. Round. So easy. Right, I'm going to turn it again the other way. Can you see? It's so easy. But for the sake of how long it takes, it's just worth doing it, honestly. So just put it down. There we go. Keep going. You'll have a nice big ball of yarn in a minute. So can you see how it's just getting a little bit tangled there? Just do that for a minute. How long it takes. Shake it like that. Just makes it a lot easier, like I keep saying, because when you're doing a hank, sometimes you can see just this bit's getting tangled. So imagine when you're knitting with it. So just to make it easier for you and even more enjoyable when you're knitting. So there we go. So we've got two ends. All right, that is how you wind an ank into a ball of wool. Thank you.